What is a function in C? A. A block of code that performs a specific task. B. A data type. C. A variable. D. A loop. The right answer is A. A block of code that performs a specific task. Function parameters are used to A. Return values. B. Pass data to functions. C. Store variables. D. Initialize loops. The right answer is B. Pass data to functions. What happens if a return statement is missing in a non-void function? A. It returns 0. B. It results in a compile error or undefined behavior. C. Nothing happens. D. It prints an error. The right answer is B. It results in a compile error or undefined behavior. In call by reference, function receives A. Copy of variable. B. Only return type. C. Address of variable. D. Data type. The right answer is C. Address of variable. Which part of a function tells what type of data it returns? A. Function name. B. Parameter list. C. Return type. D. Braces. The right answer is C. Return type. What is the default return type of a function in C if not specified? A. Character. B. Void. C. Integer. D. Float. The right answer is C. Integer. Function call by value means A. Passing address. B. Passing copy of variable. C. Changing original value. D. Returning a value. The right answer is B. Passing copy of variable. Which storage class keeps the variable value between function calls? A. Auto. B. Register. C. Static. D. Extern. The right answer is C. Static. Which of the following is a correct function call with two integer arguments? A. Some round braces integer A, comma integer B. B. Some round braces. C. Some round braces 5, 10. D. Integer some round braces 5, 10. The right answer is C. Some round braces 5, 10. What is passed to a function as input? A. Return value. B. Parameters / arguments. C. Data type. D. Header. The right answer is B. Parameters / arguments. Which of the following is a correct function prototype? A. Integer some round braces A, B. B. Integer some round braces integer, integer. C. Some round braces integer A, integer B. D. Function some round braces integer A, integer B. The right answer is B. Integer some round braces integer, integer. Can we use a function as a parameter of another function? A. Yes, and we can use the function value conveniently. B. Yes, but we call the function again to get the value. C. No, C language does not support it. D. This case is compiler dependent. The right answer is C. No, C language does not support it. What is recursion? A. A function calling itself. B. Calling another function. C. Repeating a loop. D. Assigning a value. The right answer is A. A function calling itself. How many times will a recursive function execute if base case is missing? A. Once. B. Twice. C. Infinite times. D. Never. The right answer is C. Infinite times. Which storage class gives local scope but retains value? A. Static. B. Register. C. Auto. D. Extern. The right answer is A. Static. Which of these is not a valid return type in C? A. Integer. B. Character. C. Float. D. Array. The right answer is D. Array. Which keyword is used to define a function in C? A. Function C. B. Define. C. Void. D. Return type followed by function name. The right answer is D. Return type followed by function name. Which of the following is a function with no return type? A. Integer sum round braces. B. Void display round braces. C. Float average round braces. D. Character get char round braces. The right answer is B. Void display function. Which function must be present in every C program? A. Main. B. Start. C. Void. D. Function. The right answer is A. Main. Which function does not take parameters and does not return a value? A. Void display round braces. B. Integer sum, integer A, integer B. C. Float average, integer A. D. Character get char round braces. The right answer is A. Void display round braces. How do you call a function in C? A. Function name curly braces. B. Call function name round braces. C. Function name round braces. D. Define function name round braces. The right answer is C. Function name round braces. How many values can be returned from a function in C using return? A. Only one. B. Two. C. Multiple. D. None. The right answer is A. Only one. What does a function with parameters and a return type do? A. Takes no input and returns no value. B. Takes input but returns no value. C. Returns a value but takes no input. D. Takes input and returns a value. The right answer is D. Takes input and returns a value. What is the base case in a recursive function? A. The initial condition that starts the recursion. B. The condition that causes the function to call itself infinitely. C. The type of value that the recursive function returns. D. The condition that terminates the recursion and provides a direct solution. The right answer is D. The condition that terminates the recursion and provides a direct solution. What is the scope of a function in C? A. Limited to the main function. B. Limited to the block where it is declared. C. Global throughout the file. D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Global throughout the file. What is the base case in recursion? A. The first function call. B. The recursive step. C. Condition to stop recursion. D. The loop condition. The right answer is C. Condition to stop recursion. Which storage class is used to declare global variables? A. Auto. B. Extern. C. Static. D. Register. The right answer is B. Extern. Which keyword is used to return a value from a function? A. Send. B. Yield. C. Return. D. Give. The right answer is C. Return. What is the purpose of return keyword in a function? A. To end a loop. B. To return a value from the function. C. To printiger output. D. To define a variable. The right answer is B. To return a value from the function. Which of the following is an example of recursion? A. Main function. B. Printf function. C. Factorial n in round braces. Calling factorial n minus 1 in round braces. D. Scanf function. The right answer is C. Factorial n in round braces. Calling factorial n minus 1 in round braces.